Hey guys! Happy Sunday! Today is December 21. Sobrang excited ko. Makasama ko ang aking one of my client last 2014. Way back, no, nagdibo ka. Ngayon, turning to bride. Si Miss Alex Lara. Yan. Palakpakan ko natin, guys. Mars, thank you so much again for choosing me. Kamusta?
The best kasi wala akong masabi. Napaganda niya ako noon and I'm sure he can do an even better job now. So I hope you guys can get him kasi walang tapon sa babayaran. As in, the best there is. Huwag na kayong magpuli sa iba. Promise.
At sobrang saya ko kasi alam nyo, hindi lahat ng nabibigyan ng ganitong istorya. Madalang po yung ganito, yung history na ganitong kaganapan. Kasi usually talaga kadalasan pagka mga debutant, no? Ang pumipili talaga dyan, mami, kadalasan. Tapos pagdating ng wedding, si bride na. Pero ito talaga continuation to. Ibig sabihin nun, iba yung nabigay ko sa kanyang serbisyo na kanyang kinagalak. At iyon, maraming salamat. Kasi nakita ulit tayo for how many? 11 years, right? From last 2014 at ngayon, 2025. Yan na.
From debut to wedding.
At saan ang iyong church?
Sa Hearts of Jesus and Mary Parish.
At nandito kami ngayon sa hotel na?
Arden Hills Suites.
Yung istorya namin ba pwede na kami ilagay doon sa Guinness Book of Record?
True.
Kasi madalang po yung ganitong istorya. So, abangan po natin mamaya yung mga kaganapan at yung aking make-over. Abangan niyo yan, guys.
See ya!
Yan.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let.
Thank you for choosing me to be your home. Hindi na tayo uuwi sa bahay ng isa't isa because you are now my home.
First of all, maraming salamat sa Panginoon. Pangarap lang natin ito dati. Ngayon, nakapagod.